Hello guys, welcome to another backtesting session video. Today's number 7 I guess. And yeah, Monday, Tuesday were really good days. I got into 4 trades, won all of them. So now we're on Wednesday, yeah. So yeah, first let's look at the daily bias for today. So 1 second. Sorry about that, we're back again. Some technical problems. As I was saying, let's look at the daily bias for today. Today is, we literally did exactly as I said. So we swept this low right here. Gonna mark that out. And we went straight back up again. Straight back up. And this day is pretty weird. We broke the high of the day and went straight down. So I don't really know. I don't really have a bias right now, I guess, I wanna say. Yeah, there's nothing really here. We had this new day opening up. We broke below it. Maybe that's an indicator that we're gonna go down still. Let's look at the hourly. We have a FVG right here. Just gonna mark this as this line so it doesn't get messy. And yeah, we have some lows down here that we can mark as our draws on liquidity. Here as well, but it's too low, I think. Yeah, I think it is possible that we went back, swept this, went up again, and then we're gonna have a continuation trade. Yeah, like that way, you know, from here to here. Yeah, I can draw a line. Yeah, like there, you know. I'm gonna learn how to do it properly. So yeah, let's look at the 15 minute. Is there anything special here? You have this. You have this swing high right here. Is it? No, it's not data high. It's just a normal high. This is the day's low, I guess. On the 5 minutes, not gonna be anything probably. Yeah, we are on this 5 minute FVG right now. I'm gonna set it as different color maybe, so it's easier. Yeah, I guess it's fine. Yeah, so let's just start with the session now. All right. Okay, we did break today's low. These are the previous day lows we can target, so we could sweep these and then come straight back again. Let's we sweep and then we just come and then we just go right up. I'm just gonna delete that, we don't really need it. This is the 15-minute fair value gap, so we could bounce back down. Yeah, exactly. Nothing tradable right now. It's just long wicks. Can't really do anything about that. Yeah, we swept. You see how we're respecting this 15-minute FPG right here. We're literally inside it, and then price doesn't want to break above it. Maybe it does now. We're still wicking it. Nothing special. Yeah. What is this high? Oh, that was the 4-hour FPG. Okay, we also respected it. Maybe if we inverse this FPG, there's something we can work on. I'm just gonna delete that so it doesn't become messy. Yeah, we sweep New York high right now. So yeah, first price just chopped around here. It, as last time, went up. This is the manipulation move. And then it's gonna distribute downwards. Okay. Is that a good trade? I would take this trade. That's actually a good setup. You see, we swept New York high. We tapped into a 4-hour. I'll show you 4-hour FVG or 1-hour FVG. I mean, what was this FVG? Was it 15-minute? Oh, yeah, I deleted that. So that was probably a 4-hour, and then we went straight back down. But my only problem with this trade is we, on this exact wick 949, we swept New York low here, and for that reason I'm staying out, because price now actually has a reason to just go straight back up. It probably will sweep those lows. I mean, the trade like this would look maybe stop right here and then target here, but that's not really my strategy, you know. On this candle we swept New York's low, because I'm just gonna stay out. Yeah, let's see what price does. Yeah, exactly. As maybe it's gonna go down again. Let's see. Yeah, if I shorted right here, or get stopped out in 4 minutes. So that's why it's important to look at all of the confluences that exist. I mean, that you just look at. So it's mostly FPGs and liquidity sweeps. But now if we inverse, let's look at this one. This FPG, I could target this high if we, for example, go above it. The trade would probably could look something like this. Yeah, that would be a good trade. Let's see what the price does. Yeah, okay, wait. Literally, as I said, I don't know if the risk to reward is gonna be good enough though. 0.64. Yeah, I could put it here. 0.8. Yeah, if I was trading live, I would enter here. I would wait for a retracement around, I don't know, here, and then I would have 0.94. I'm just gonna stay out. Yeah, you see, 2 candles. I could have entered here, then I would have 0.8. I guess I could have entered semi-stop or even higher, because my problem is I wouldn't know where to put my stop, you know. And yeah, it's just better to wait for a. But yeah, you see another proof that that the strategy, actually it's not my strategy, but like that it works. And this trade would have been just fine. I just decided not to take it because, in my opinion, it's better not to take a trade than to take a bad one, or even not A plus, you know. But here, let's see what the price is gonna do now. It's, yeah, I can't enter here. It's chopping now. What is it? Is it 10.04? So it's still possible to trade. If we went, oh, okay, yeah, it's not giving me anything to trade right now. It's probably just gonna sweep this high here. Yeah, in this candle, I didn't have an entry anywhere because look, all of this is just chop, it's just going up, down. Nothing is really distributing here. And we did sweep. What is it? This is just a random. This is just a swing high. We have some draws to target here, I guess, but I think it's too far. I would see price just reversing a bit. It's not really that good. Yeah, let's see what it does. It's going up. I don't have any entries here because my entry model base is on inversions of a fair value gap, and there's nothing here to look at. It's just price going up. It's not even creating any FPGs for me to do anything out of. I guess I could have entered here, this candle, semi-stop here, TP here. That's still not my. Let's see if the trade would have played out, because we inversed this one and we swept some liquidity above, and then that was, I guess, yeah, it plays out perfectly. Still, I'm just trying to avoid unnecessary trades. Why is it just going down there? Do we want to enter? Okay, okay, we didn't sweat this. We still have some equal lows down here. So if price goes up again and then gives me a good entry model, I will enter the trade. But right now it's just, yeah, look at this. It's just going down. I could have entered maybe after this kind of close, but I don't like FPGs that are 1 hour apart, you know, they're not really as valid. No, I mean, not this one, I meant this FPG. Not as valid as a more recent one. Yeah, but here, look, just price. Damn. Like 10 black candles in a row. 100 something points. So is there anything to do now? Is there anything down to even target? This is just this low. I don't think it's achievable. It's okay, it's not that bad. It's 80 points away. Maybe if I got an entry model. Nah, it's 11 though. Yeah, let's just see if there's anything. Nothing yet. Yeah, price is just really not giving me anything to look for. Okay, I guess we have a FPG here. Okay. Okay, no. Really nothing. Wait. We have this FPG. Maybe if we sweep it, I'll consider a. Okay, yeah, I think that would be a good. Okay, wait. I think that's a good entry. I don't know if I'll be able to leave a day without a trade for a YouTube video. It's not so bad. This is 1.12. I'll be more comfortable entering like this. So I'll wait for a retracement first. Okay, this is something, I guess. 0.82. Yeah, for the sake of the video, I will take this trade, you know. Because again, in real live, I could enter anywhere here and my R2R would be good. I'm just gonna enter here, what is it, 15 points? Let's say 15, so yeah, 276, 227 for a win. Okay, let's see. Oh no, that's not good. That's good. Wait, my stop was perfect. Okay. Okay, I was really close to a loss. If I waited one more candle, I could have entered here and then set my stop like even higher, but I didn't. So okay, so now it's a. I don't really know what to do now because we did sweep this internal low. My first option is to put my stop at break even. So I'll probably make just nothing today, or leave my stop here and then let price do what it does. Or the third option is to set my stop here at this high of this candle. You know what, I'll just stay in the trade, because today on live account I took a trade and I set my stop to break even, and it hit my break even and then went back to TP to profit, so I just made 0 basically, and I could have made more, so I'll stay and see how it goes. Yeah. Okay, so if I put my stop here, I'll get stopped out, and then what do I do? This is the problem. What is it? 50 minutes already and no trades. Yeah. I'll just sit here for a second and think about my options. That's a good day to learn from, you know. Is it better to stay in trades? Is it better after this chop to just leave it? I'll stay in it. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, it's a loss, sadly. Could have been break even, but I'll have to think about that one, because this is like the most uncomfortable situation to deal with, you know. I set my TP here. It was really close. It was like literally 1 point away, you know, here. But market like really it likes to leave equal lows or equal highs often. So like a low here and a low here, so it didn't sweep. So I didn't had my TP and price just went straight back up. I could have put my stop to break even at some point. Yeah. So today I made a decision to pull my stop to break even. It didn't work out, and right now I didn't, and it also didn't work out. So I would say it's just a bit unlucky. But it's, yeah, I will take responsibility for this trade. Minus, what is it? It was around 280 for the day. If you have any suggestions for me, you can. Damn, I'm just going straight up. We did not sweep. Oh. Yeah, we did sweep it now, but it's, you know, 15 minutes after, so it doesn't really matter. So yeah, if you guys have anything to say to me, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll think about what to do with these kind of trades for next session maybe. And if that situation happens next time, I will. Yeah, it always depends on the exact situation, but yeah, it was a good trading day. I wouldn't say that was a bad trade. It just didn't work out. Yeah, thanks for watching everybody, and well, see you for the next session. Bye.